Welcome back to another episode of JDM for All. Thank you guys for watching. In today's video, we're talking about this beautiful championship white 2021 Honda Civic FK8 Type R right next to my Boost Blue Type R. How beautiful are these cars, guys? Not even lowered, stock wheels still, and they still look amazing. These are just beautiful cars. I wish the sun was out. It's a little bit of a cloudy, overcasted day. Still looks amazing, but I think they would really shine if the sun was out a little bit more. So this is a 2021, has a few mods. We're gonna go over all of the mods in this video. So make sure to watch to the end of this video. So this beautiful 2021 Championship White FK8 has a few genuine Honda catalog carbon mods. So we're gonna go over a few of them. He has the red and black weaved hood scoop. Check it out, guys. It is beautiful. I really wish the sun was out, like I mentioned, because it would really pop a lot more. But if you can tell, it has a red weave in there. It looks really good. So it is basically exactly like the stock hood scoop. It's designed exactly the same, looks like the same height and everything, but it's red carbon, which is awesome. That's better than the limited edition, in my opinion. That just looks so good. So the owner said that this was $500, which is crazy. I mean, the fitment and the quality, it's obviously going to be there. It's straight from Honda. And he also has mirror caps, the red and black weave mirror caps as well. Check it out. The fitment is really good on these as well. I mean, as you would imagine, it just looks so good. So the owner said that he got these for $800. That is definitely, it's not a little bit of money for sure. So there's one. Let's check out the driver. Yeah, these things look great. So these are definitely top quality carbon mods. So this is Championship White. The sun's coming out a little bit. You can see that carbon, but that Champ White is just so legendary. Obviously an only Type R color, something that you would see in Japan or something. Now we finally have them here. Got the Boost Blue in the background, Championship White in the front. These are both 2021 Type Rs, so they are basically identical other than the mods. They just look so good. All right, so not only does he have the hood scoop and the mirrors, he has the wing, guys. Yes, he has the wing. So he said that this is about $1,500, and that is just unbelievable, guys. Check it out. So the sun's starting to show. You can really see that carbon. It's shining and it's looking great. So this whole piece right here, guys, is carbon. How clean is that? And obviously it is red and black weave as well. Looks so good, matches all of the rest of the carbon, and he has the interior pieces as well, guys. So he has a lot done to it. Also, VTEC Turbo, can't go wrong with that. Looks good. He has some engine mods and some interior carbon as well. We'll be going over that right now. Basically, he has the carbon door inserts as well. He has the carbon on the doors. Looks really good. All of the carbon on this car is black and red. It all matches, all looks good, and is high quality. Has it on the dash, and it just all just fits in together so well. So this Type R also has the PRL inlet pipe and drop-in air filter. Looks really clean and definitely brings up the look of the engine bay. And I do want to mention that the owner only has these two mods on this Type R, and with these mods, he didn't really notice any difference in performance or even much in sound. Now, I do have a drop-in air filter in my Type R as well, and I did notice a slight improvement in sound and a little bit in throttle response, but also I do have a muffler delete. And obviously an intake or drop-in air filter with exhaust mods will help out with airflow and make even a bigger difference in performance. So it's not often that you see two 21 FK8 Type Rs sitting in the parking lot. We have to take advantage of this. Take a look and just do a little walk around. Check it out, guys. Hopefully you'll see some more of this Championship White Type R in the future on this channel if we hit a meet or whatever. But how clean Sun's starting to show. It's looking good. Just looks amazing. Those wheels are awesome. So from my understanding, these wheels are BBS wheels. Straight from the factory, guys. That is sick. These Type Rs, guys, a lot of people are fans of these Type Rs. A lot of people say that the FK8 or the FL5s look better. I mean, I like both of them. You can't go wrong with either one. And I just love the look of these Type Rs. I think that they are so aggressive and they just look so good. You're not going to mistake these FK8s for any other Honda Civic. Definitely not any other gen for sure. So for future mods for the Championship White Type R, the owner wants to go with an AWE, right? Yeah, AWE exhaust and an upgraded turbo. I definitely want to do a drop for sure, even though these look great. I mean, these are definitely not tall Civics like the old gens. They look really good. So one last look at this beautiful Championship White, guys. What an amazing car. And what an amazing and legendary color as well. Check it out. Let's check out both of the rears. How clean. So clean, so sick. All right, guys, thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more FK8 Type R content, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. It helps me out a lot. I want to thank you guys for making it to the end of this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video.